Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll show you how to write a parental leave letter. This document serves as a formal request to your employer, informing them about your planned leave for the birth or adoption of a child. You should begin your parental leave letter by including your full name, address, email, phone number, and the date at the top. Next, add the recipient's details, including their name, position, company name, and address. Below that, write a clear subject line stating your request for parental leave. Finally, address the recipient formally with "Dear recipient's name" to start your letter. After that, write, "I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally request parental leave from start date to end date as I prepare to welcome and care for my newborn adopted child. I have reviewed the company's parental leave policy and would like to ensure a smooth transition during my absence. I am happy to assist with any necessary preparations before my leave begins. Please let me know if any further documentation is required or if you would like to discuss this request in person. I appreciate your support and consideration and look forward to returning to work on return date. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample parental leave letter. Notice how it clearly states your request for leave, specifies the start and return dates, and ensures a smooth transition during your absence. By following this format step by step, you can create a professional and well-structured letter that effectively communicates your leave plans to your employer. This letter serves as formal documentation of your request and helps maintain clear communication with your workplace. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on drafting professional letters.